So that was an eventful day's fishing. We got a nice mackerel and a couple of reefies. That's enough. Hopefully we'll get out, maybe not in the next 2 days with a big blow coming, but hopefully we're going to get out. What day is it today? Sunday? What day is it today? Sunday. Okay, so hopefully we'll get out on Wednesday, and Thursday hopefully it's about a 4 o'clock tide, I think, high tide in the morning, so then we can do an all dayer. That'll be good. And try and hit a few people up for marks, because we've got no marks here, so we're not doing too bad considering we've had no marks. Just sounding a few fish up. Just stay on this side a bit now. Yeah, she gets pretty shallow. It's only half a metre through there at the moment, and it drops pretty quick, so you've got to make sure you get back on time. It's time to fillet the fish up. So I've got a mackerel here and a couple of other fish. I'm just going to show you how I do my mackerel. Danielle's out there enjoying herself as usual. She's out kayaking out the back there while I do all the dirty work. All right, got to get in the shade. You're not allowed to leave your scraps here on the island. Definitely can't put them in this lagoon, and you've got to go a mile offshore. So I'll pop them back, all the guts and everything else in the head, and we'll dump it miles offshore tomorrow, or when we're out next. Could be in 2 days time, but yeah, you can't just fillet it all here, unfortunately. That's mainly for the sharks. All right, let's get into it. So first of all, let's just get rid of a few of these ants and stuff and whatever's climbing all over it. Give it a bit of a wipe off. So straight down, all the way down the actual bone. Turn it around. It's quite a soft flesh, the old mackerel, so take your time with it. Scraping down. Like so. And that's one side done. Pretty easy. Pop that in the bucket. And then just flip her over. I'm going to wash all this off a little bit later on. Same thing, just come down the back bone, like so. All the way down to the tail. And just use long strokes to fillet the fish. It's a relatively easy fish to fillet. And there we go, beautiful. And I'll just trim this up. So I went a little bit close to the bones here. Get rid of these, square that off, and there we go, beautiful mackerel fillets, absolutely perfect. Pop that in the bucket. Pop that in the bucket. Now then, these tails here that we've got left over, these can be grilled up as well. They're really good grilled up. So we can actually chop through these, or even break them in half, like so. Once you break through the cartilage, well, these can be grilled up on the fire, or if you're camping on a fire. They are absolutely divine. A really cool way to not waste any of this stuff. There's a couple of portions, a couple of entrees right there. We'll just break this tail off. Like so, through the cartilage. And then you can just cut your knife through. Like so. And then we've got no wastage. Those 3 little entrees right there. This is Max. Max is camping next to us. Max has got some fish for tonight, and his lovely lady Holly. Is it Holly?
Yeah, Holly.
Yeah. So you're just on Hook and The Ccok at the moment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good feeling, Joel. Look at that.
Yeah, not too bad. You like that?
Yeah, buddy. Yeah.
Good. Enjoy tonight, mate.
Good bait. I will.
Okay, this is one of the loins of the mackerel. So just the way I slice it up so that we're gonna have it for dinner is obviously this. You can cut them this way like this, it's not a problem. I like to just cut them on the slat. Keeps a little bit of thickness in there, like so. Really nice cutlets. Taking a bit of the skin off. The seagulls are getting pretty excited, as you can see. Beautiful. Trying a bit of that skin off now. I don't mind a bit of the skin on the old mackerel either, but I know my wife's not real keen on it, so we'll trim it as we go. But yeah, she's a big fish, the old mackerel. So there we go, guys. There's the head, there's the rest of the body and all the meat, and there's the tail. And Max is going to make use of some of this for bait as well, which is cool. Enjoy, mate.
Oh, I will.
There's a little bit of stuff there you probably eat too, and I've left a bit on there.
Done a good job, though.
Thanks, mate. I've got shark twice, yeah, but we had a big, when we caught this, I gave it a little bit of a knock on the head, and a big tiger came straight up to the boat. Yeah, so we're lucky we got him in, really.
Yeah.
What I'm going to be doing now is going to seal all my bags. So we've got our Wanderer Frybacker here, and I've got it put into the Dometic. I'll just show you that. The Dometic converter, which converts it to 240 volt. So I've just plugged it into that. So I've got to seal them up first. Obviously they've got a hole both sides. Straight onto the sealer, like so. Make sure it clicks in twice, and then seal only. So there we go. Then we undo it, open it up, and as you can see now, there's a nice seal there, and we need that for when we fry up the fish. That's the last one that I've sealed. So what I'm going to do now is switch batteries. Nicely sealed. I've done a whole heap of them. So I'm just going to switch the batteries now. So when we do the vacuum seal, what will happen is I'm not draining this battery too much, because yeah, we don't want it to, what's it on now, 12.1. Once it gets under 12, it doesn't work so. Alright guys, so what I've got here is bags that we've sealed already. And the great thing about these is that you can actually make them to size, to suit. Okay, we've got a little bit of reef fish that we caught the other day. I'll grab the, I'll do the mackerel later. So I'll just demo with this reef fish. So put them in nice and flat. Don't overload the bags, whatever you do. Look at that beautiful fish. It's so cold, nice. The old Dometic's keeping it nice and cold. We've got a little bit of tusk fish there, and also some red throat emperor. So just pop it like so. Now what we need to do is just pop this in here. So that's where you're going to get the suction from. Try and keep the bag as straight as you possibly can. Click down, and then we're just going to press vacuum seal. There we go. Takes a little time when you're when you've got solar. So I'll suck it out now, and it gets quite loud. And then we've got to wait for it to seal it. So don't open it straight away. Just have to wait till it seals. The green light's gone out now, so it's been sealed. You just click the sides, open it up, and there you have it. Beautiful white flesh fish ready to freeze, or you can pop it in the in your fridge as well. I use these, like I said, all the time at home. I can't remember how much this is, so and I said, like I say, I'm not sponsored by these guys, although if they're interested you can always give me a yell. But yeah, just want to keep it real here at the Hook and the Ccok, and this works perfectly. So 100%, you know, you won't have a problem with these Wanderers. They're great, absolutely, you know, spot on. Especially, you know, like I'm a chef and we use big vacuum sealers where we work. Well, this thing's fantastic for home. So guys, if you enjoyed that tip, please like and subscribe to our channel, and going in the freezer. Cool. We'll see you next week on the Hook and the Cook. Cheers guys. And keep going. Slow down, shark. Frigging shark. So Danielle's being sick. I'm being sick.